How to blur a video background in CapCut on Android or iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur a video background in CapCut on your Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Import your video by tapping New Project and selecting your video from the gallery. Once your video is on the timeline, select a clip, then tap on Effects at the bottom. Under the Video Effects tab, search for Blur and choose the effect you like. After selecting the blur effect, it will apply to your entire video. To focus the blur only on the background, tap on the mask option. Choose a shape mask and adjust the size to fit around your subject. Now go back to the Effects tab and make sure the blur is applied to the background area. Adjust the blur intensity to your liking. Once you're happy with the result, tap Export to save your video. And that's how you blur a video background in CapCut on Android or iPhone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.